Hi, I'm Andrew Vahrenkamp, manager of the Raddon Research Insights program. If you're like me, all you've heard about in social media and in the industry press is how the branch is dead. Doomed. Doomed, I tell ya. Well, really? ATMs didn't kill the branch. Phone banking didn't kill the branch. Online banking didn't kill the branch. And guess what? Mobile banking isn't going to kill the branch either. In our recent study, grappling with mobile banking engagement issues, we decided to look into what mobile bankers thought about not just how they use mobile banking, but how they use other banking services too. And it turns out they care a lot about branch convenience. In fact, they care more about branch convenience than people who don't use mobile banking. 71% of mobile bankers say that it's extremely or very important that their PFI, their primary financial institution, have a conveniently located branch. Well, that seems like a lot, but that makes sense. It's their primary financial institution. But it's only 58% for non-mobile bankers. Well, maybe it's because mobile bankers are more likely to be major bank customers, and those major banks have branches everywhere. And if we look solely at major bank customers, we see that in fact, mobile bankers care more than non-mobile bankers do. Well, what about on the smaller end of the spectrum? Credit union members don't care as much about convenience, but the mobile bankers still care more about convenience than the non-ones do. The gap's still there, and mobile banking still needs branch convenience. We know from our research that the #1 reason why a customer selects a primary financial institution is because of branch convenience. And it's always been the case, and it still will be for the foreseeable future. And it holds true for mobile bankers as well. 78% of mobile bankers live near a branch that's convenient, compared to only 71% of non-mobile bankers. So mobile banking isn't going to help you with acquisition. Where mobile banking does help is retention. I'm old enough to remember that if a customer sent in a change of address form and was moving to a new neighborhood or a city or a town where you didn't have a branch location, your days were numbered. That's not true anymore. 52% of mobile bankers say they are likely to stay with their institution even after they move, theoretically, compared to only 28% of non-mobile bankers. That's a giant sea change. So there's a real opportunity to keep those relationships that you've built even if they move. The branch is still king, and it's still the way to get new customers, but at least mobile banking, being a very sticky relationship builder, will let you keep the ones that you've got. I'm Andrew Vahrenkamp. This has been a Raddon Research Insight.